Hello friends, welcome to our channel QTN Quick Technical Notes. Today we will discuss about the topic diode. Diode is an electronic device which have numerous of applications in electronics and computers. So before proceeding this topic diode, first of all we have to know what is semiconductor. So friends, as we all know that substance or material are divided into three categories: conductor, semiconductor and insulator. Conductor is a material substance that allow current to pass through it. For example, gold, silver, iron, etc. Insulator is a material or substance which do not allow current to pass through it. For example, wooden, plastic, etc. Semiconductor, it is a substance whose conductivity lies between conductor and insulator. For example, silicon Si, germanium Ge, carbon C, element taken from 14 group of periodic table, as we all know in the chemistry Mendeleev periodic table. So there are two figures. In first figure, silicon four silicon atoms are arranged and bounded with each other, uh, and in the second figure, one silicon atom, how the electrons are arranged in shells, various cells. Likewise, in first shell there are two electrons, in the next shell eight electrons, and the outermost shell, valence electrons are available, four valence electrons. So semiconductor is further divided into two categories: intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor, or we can say pure semiconductor to intrinsic semiconductor without doping. Doping means adding impurities. In extrinsic semiconductor, we can also say impurity semiconductor. So extrinsic semiconductor are two types: P type semiconductor, N type semiconductor. In P type semiconductor, the elements are taken from, it is a pentavalent, means 15 group of periodic table. So elements are phosphorus and indium, In, and in N type trivalent 13 group of periodic table, elements are gallium and boron. Next, by definition of diode, we have to understand what is p-n junction diode. When n-type semiconductor and p-type semiconductor joined together with special fabrication technique is known as p-n junction diode. Diode is a two-terminal electronic device which allow flow of current in one direction and blocking current in other direction. So friends, by Ohm's law we know that voltage equal to IR, where I represents the symbol for current and defined as rate of change of flow of charge with respect to time, and R represent resistance and V represent voltage. So in the figure, bottom figure, we can see a p-n junction diode where P terminal is positively charged and N terminal is negatively charged by the means of external source, battery. So the flow of current showing in the direction from P side to N side. This is called forward biasing. When P terminal of the diode is connected with negative terminal of battery external source, in that case diode is blocking current to pass through. So that situation is known as reverse biasing. So in further we will discuss about the working of p-n junction diode in next lecture. Thanks.